sharing a set of home shoulder and neck relaxation techniques with you. First, apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Soothe the upper back about 3 to 5 times. Retract from the arm area. Lift and pull the Feng Qi acupoint and then point kneaded. Then lift and pull the Tianzhu acupoint. Then lift and pull the Feng Fu acupoint. And soothe the entire shoulder and neck area. Find a point on our trapezius muscle. Press with your finger pad on the side of the neck. Hold for 3 seconds. Then do a straight push. Use 2 finger pads to do a straight push. Then find the second point. Hold for 3 seconds as well. In the middle part between the shoulder and neck and the arm, there is a depression. We can do point kneading like this. Then use a single hand clenched fist pushing method to push and scrape the shoulder and neck area. You can push down to the arm. Then go and relax our scapular bone seam area. Relax the entire scapular area by pushing with the finger knuckles after clenching your fist. You can use the same techniques for the other shoulder and scapula. Finally, alternately push outwards towards the arm with both hands to drain. Quickly learn it for your family.